Hey guys, this is René, welcome back for another video on this channel. I just received the email that we all want to see from FTMO. It is payout time again. So let's talk about my first payout from a 200k account, and in this video I want to talk about the payout strategy that I would recommend, and I will explain a little bit some mistakes that I made in the past that might cost me more than 1,000 euro and why I then changed my payout strategy. But let's go step by step. I can also show you all of the FTMO accounts in a second, but first of all let's have a look at this. So you can see I can go here to the certificate and we can see this is my payout. 29th of July is when I record this video, and the payout or the reward is 716, which is fairly small, I would say, on a 200k account. It's like 0.3%, I would say. So the question is, why is it so small and what the heck am I doing? And let me explain a little bit by showing you the actual account. So we can see here, if we have a look at the metrics of the very account that I'm talking about now, we can see I started trading this on the 10th of July, which is not even 1 month away. And you can see it ended already 4 days ago. It just took a couple of days for FTMO to approve my my profits and to make me to send me the email. So what happened here is basically I only traded 1 day, and this is because 1 day was enough. So you can see here I traded on 11th of July, 4 trades on this specific day with a profit of 900 or around 900 USD. It's a poor consistency score, of course, because there is no consistency, it's just 1 trade. And then I immediately changed the payout date to the nearest possible date. And the reason for this is pretty obvious. It's because at this point, I just want to get my refund for the challenge that I bought. And this is a learning pretty much that I had to learn, and the reason for this is why I stopped trading immediately, because I did a huge mistake with this FTMO account. You can see this is another currently running an active FTMO account that I have, and if we have a look at the metrics here we can see that I actually made a mistake. So you can see here this is a 100k FTMO account, and unfortunately for this FTMO account, even though I trade this for a very long time now already, you can see here I started this mid-April and now we have end of July. For this account I did not receive the refund yet for the challenge that I bought, and I could have gotten the refund already, because you can see here at this level, at this specific day, the account was in profit. If I recall correctly, it was in profit by I don't know, like 600 euro or so on this day. So if I would have stopped trading at the end of this day and just waited for the reward day, then I would have gotten like the profit, which was around 500 euro, and I would have gotten the refund for the challenge that I paid. But I did not, because I was greedy. I thought I could generate some more profits, and then that was the beginning of the end pretty much, because then I immediately started to see this huge drawdown, and actually the account was very, very close to the stop out level. It was like 1.5k away from the stop out level at some point, which you can see here clearly. So at this point it was super unrealistic for the account to recover. So I just made a mistake. I should have stopped trading here, should have gotten the refund and the first small payout, and that's it. So this is what I would then recommend now after passing a challenge. Just stop trading quickly and get the first payout. And after that, then you can start to also generate a little bit more profits throughout the months. But in my opinion, it's not very smart to risk the guaranteed payback. So yeah, that's it. So as you can see here in the FTMO traders overview, I can now start processing the payout. So this is what I will quickly do now. So yeah, there we are, payout request completed. So yeah, that's basically it. So I will just wait for the money to fly into my bank account. But what we can now also do is we can update my Excel sheet here, because this is the account that we are currently talking about. It's the first 200k account that I passed. Also documented this on my channel, and it is now in the refunded stage, so we can get I do get the 1080 back, and the profit is 612. So including all of my basically everything that I paid and everything that I earned from FTMO, I'm now net profitable with 4,215 euro. And let's have a look at my active accounts. I mean, I'm still curious if FTMO will ban me at some point for some reason, but still, I can only repeat myself here. At this point, I cannot say anything bad about FTMO. I mean, they might ban me at some point, and then I will give you the update about it. But until now, they've always treated me fairly. I cannot say anything bad. I received all of the payouts. Communication was always clear. When I asked them questions, they answered. So I cannot say anything bad. I don't know if I'm treated differently because I'm a content creator. It might be the case, but I don't know. So yeah. So with this account that I just request the payout for, and I will get it back as another FTMO account, and then again I will have this 200k account. I still have this 125k account, which is currently around break-even level. So yeah, it's not, it hasn't really generated profits in the last 1.5 months or so, but it's also not negative, which is great. So overall it's quite okay. This is a scaled up account. Then I also have this 100k account that I just showed before. It was really close to the stop out level and now recovered quite a bit, which is super great. So I'm very happy for this. And now again I'm hoping that I can get the refund and maybe also a first payout. And I still have this this one account here, which is the ongoing verification account, which is ongoing for a very long time now. I trade this verification account for over 1 year now, which is quite a long period of time. But hey, I mean, it's just running on my server. I don't have to deal with it. I will just stick to my strategy and hopefully pass it at some point. That's basically the update on my FTMO. So I'm max allocated with 425,000 US dollar funding right now. Also I have one currently active verification account, and so far I'm happy with how everything's going. So that's basically it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and yeah, if you want to see more insight like this, like transparent insight about my trading success, showing the good and the bad sides, then yeah, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also like the videos if you want to support me. Would be really appreciated. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. So little update on my whole FTMO journey. I know that I don't talk about this as much as I talk about my live trading account, because I'm afraid that I will give FTMO a reason to ban me if I talk about my strategies, my settings too much in public. So I always want to fly a little bit under the radar. And yeah, I hope this makes sense, and I hope you can understand this. So I'm out. Thanks for watching. Have a great time, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.